Alright, here I am in my house, and if you can see on that ficus, there's a little baby bird. I don't know if you can tell, but mama bird doesn't like it when you're outside and baby bird is there. And this video is going to show you the threat that we get from mama bird every time we go outside. Are you going to go outside, honey?
No, I'm not. You do.
Oh, you're going to video? Okay.
Yeah.
I have it on the little baby bird right down there. Want to come and take it from my hand? It's got to be at this angle.
Oh, I was going to go outside with you.
But you go outside.
No,
Just
that's
get
better.
the baby bird.
I'll stay right in here. You're still recording, right?
Yeah, it's still recording.
Where'd he go? Oh. I can't even see him. Oh, Jim's going right outside.
Did you see a baby bird? Go whoop.
No.
Okay, now that should be a cry to mama bird. Are you going to come outside and get the audience?
Okay.
Stay over here, you'll be fine.
There's the little baby bird.
You see the baby bird?
Right there, right outside our front door.
Alright, so
Literally
now
2 feet. Jim's going out.
I'm venturing. This is uncharted territory. I have my eye protectors on, and I have my bird protector from my ears. Mama bird! Doesn't normally take this long. I think mama bird's going to get some food. This could be a good time to move baby bird. Alright, let's move baby bird to the other side over there. I don't see mama bird.
Well, he made it safely this time. But here's the little baby bird who just jumped away. Oh, I guess I scared him.
You still there, mommy? Alright, I'm gonna have to net him. Where is he?
Oh, he went jumping into the bushes.
He moved?
Yep.
This is a regular Easter egg hunt.
Yeah.
Do you have any idea where he is?
Nope.
Did you just shoo him away?
No. I got a close-up on him and then he ran away. Oh. Is that the baby or the mama?
I don't know. I think it's the baby calling for the mom.
Oh, it's back there. All the
Oh,
way
I
all the way
see
in the
it.
back.
It's got like a feather, like it's got a broken wing or something.
Don't hurt it. Oh, he's coming over here. He's afraid of you.
Where is it? Yeah,
Right in the back
I think
there.
this is the one I caught yesterday.
Oh, he's coming to the house.
This'll make him fly.
Well, just don't hurt him.
No, I'm not hurting him, I'm catching him. What about me? Careful, when mama bird comes back, she's gonna dive bomb me.
You got an umbrella.
You gotta get up in the air, bird. Oh yeah, you're nothing without your mama.
Oh, you got him.
Alright. I'll go put it on the ficus on this side. Wanna see baby bird?
Yep. Yeah, just move him to the other side of the
I'm
ficus.
gonna put him over
That's a good
here.
idea.
You wanna come with me?
Not really.